kitchen. Something is not right here. What could that be? Oh, that's much better. There we go. Today in Time to Tap, Tap-isode 3, we are working on that flat heel. So flat heel, let's give it a look. To get to this episode, you've probably already watched episode 1 and 2. If you have not, feel free to look through them real quick. Up here, I'll put a link to like a video from there or a playlist if I can. And we go over the very basic steps of shuffle and flap. So when you do a flap, to get a flap heel, what do you think you do? That's right, you just add a heel. So we've got a shuffle, flap. How do we get a flap heel? Flap heel. All you gotta do is do flap and then drop your heel. Because when you do a flap, you are on the ball of your foot, right? Flap. Now you're on the ball of your foot, drop your heel. So let's do it on this side, ready? Flap, heel. Flap, heel. Very nice. Now let's alternate feet. So we'll do a flap on our right side, on our left side, on our right side, on our left side. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel. Let's break it down a little slower. That was a little fast. Sorry. Let's do it really slow motion. Ready, go. Flap, heel. Pick up your foot. Flap, heel. Pick up your other foot. Flap, heel. Pick up your foot. Flap, heel. Pick up that other foot. Now let's put it in a little traveling combination. We don't want to go too far because we are indoors, quarantining, social distancing, so you want to keep a safe distance away from everyone. So what we're going to do is go a little to our left, then a little to our right, then a little to our left, then a little to our right. Watch this time, and then I'll break it down and we'll go slower. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, 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 flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, heel. So, doing it slowly. All we're doing is those flap heels and then we're dropping the heel. So, flap, heel. Pick up your other foot. Flap, heel. You're kind of crossing in front. Now we're going to shift our weight, pick up that back foot again, and go flap, heel. Now just do 2 more heels. One on your right, one on your left. Now pick up your right foot. Flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel. Now do your left heel, heel, do your right heel, heel. Hi. And there's Daisy. Give it a little breakdown. Okay, so now let's put it all together, slow motion. Ready and go and flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, 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 flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, heel. Now let's try to pick up the tempo just a little bit, just a hair, just a tiny bit. Don't get scared. And if it seems like too much, you can start to do step, 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 heel, heel. Kind of like rock, rock. Step, 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 some shoulders, because I think the more you lean with it on the heel, it'll help you shift your weight. So let's do it. There's Daisy. She can't wait. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, 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 flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, heel. Heel, heel, heel. Flap. Heel, heel, heel. Yes, you did it! Cool, so now you know how to shuffle, you know how to flap, and you know how to flap heel. And put your weight, I'm sorry, Daisy keeps hitting the camera, but you can flap heel, put your weight on another foot so then you can switch feet. You can even do flap, heel, shuffle. That might be a little advanced, but you could even flap, heel, shuffle, or flap, heel, flap, heel, flap. But I think flap, heel is plenty. Thank you so much for joining us on this Time to Tap-isode 3. And thank you for putting up with any blurry or shaky footage. My dogs just want to get in on the fun. We are all in this together, as High School Musical and my mother likes to say. Please leave in the comments below if you gave it a try, what other steps you'd like to learn, what songs should we tap dance to when I put a little combination together, mixing all the beautiful ingredients of a shuffle, a flap heel. What should we do? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, ring the little bell that pops up. When you ring the bell, it lets you know every time we upload, so you'll never miss a tap tutorial, tap-isode if you will, or a musical adventure, or a silly song. It'll let you know every single time we upload. And we're not gonna spam you. It's like twice a week. We'd love for you to join us.